Mike here with Heave Haul-It Junk Removal. Today we're on site in New Castle, Delaware, taking down a shed and a chain link fence. We've already started on the shed here, so we've got the roof done. Now we're just tackling the walls and the base, and then we'll be moving on to the fence later on. So stick around and I hope you enjoy. Second half of our job. So the other day we took out a shed and we had started to remove the chain link fence. Today we're coming back to finish it up. So here's a small section of fence here that we're going to film for today. The rest of the fence we have stacked up on the side, ready to go this afternoon. We're going to be taking it out for set with fence completely torn down, so we're going to be packing everything up and headed to the scrap yard. As you can see, this is quite a long fence, traverse the entirety of the property. .30 posts entirely and 230 feet of fence.